Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Moonpay with Apple Pay. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Moonpay application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you are going to see all of the cryptocurrencies which you can basically buy here. Like we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Litecoin. So you can tap on any of the cryptocurrencies which you want to buy. For example, let's say I want to buy Solana. So after tapping on it, you need to simply tap on the option of buy so that you will be landed here on the payment gateway or on the purchasing gateway in Moonpay. Over here, you need to enter the amount of USD which you want to basically spend in order to purchase your cryptocurrencies. After that, when you press the continue option here in the bottom, you will be landed on the next page where you will be asked to select your payment method. So in the payment method, you need to simply check whether the Apple Pay is available in your account or not. Sometimes it actually depends on your region. So if the Apple Pay wallet option is available in your region, it will show up there. So you need to select Apple Pay, then conclude your payment with it. Once your payment is done, you are going to get your cryptocurrency in your Moonpay account, and this way you will be able to make the payment with Apple Pay. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.